And the last one we're doing is converting molecules into grams. So this is going to use 2 steps because we do not have a conversion from molecules directly to grams. We have to go through moles first. This is number 7 on your review for the test. So convert, and make sure you switch 4.24 molecules. I meant it to be 4.24 times 10 to the 22nd molecules of potassium phosphate, K3PO4, into grams. So it's looking for grams. And so we have our given over 1, 4.24 times 10 to the 22nd molecules of potassium phosphate, K3PO4, over 1. Second step is always bring your units down, just everything but the number, so just molecules of potassium phosphate. We're converting first from molecules into moles, so we have a conversion from molecules to moles. That's Avogadro's number. And always write the units down first. I think having all the units down first helps you out, and then put in numbers later. And moles, we bring the same units down, moles K3PO4 down. And finally, we're converting whatever the question is asking for, always goes on top, the very last part, so grams of K3PO4. And so next, we write in the numbers of all these. We put in 1 where the moles are, and then Avogadro's number goes where molecules are. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And then for grams per mole, we have the GFM. So again, we find the GFM of this substance. Whenever it's grams per 1 mole, we find the GFM. K, P, and O. So there's 3 potassiums, 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygens, times their masses. So phosphorus is mass, not a common one that we use all the time, so let's look that up. It's right here, 30.974. We round that to 30 point, that 9 rounds up, so it's going to be 31.0. 31.0. And potassium, it's over here, it's going to be 39.098, rounds up to 39.1. So we multiply that out. We get 3 times 39.1, 117.3, 31.0, and then 64.0. 3, 8, 2, 5, 6, 11, 212. Let's just check. 117.3 plus 31 plus 64. 212.3, and that's grams per mole. So 212.3 grams per 1 mole. Now we have all the numbers in place. Cross out molecules, cross out moles, and multiply across. So we have 4.24 EXP 22 times anything on top, times 1, skip it, times 212.3 equals that. But then we take it divided by anything on the bottom. Divided by 1, they don't matter, so divided by Avogadro's number, divided by 6.02 EXP 23. We get 14.95. But we can round to only 3 sig figs because in the initial problem there was just 3 sig figs. So it's going to be 14.9 or 15.0. That's going to come out to 15.0 and grams of potassium phosphate. So our answer has correct units, it's grams, we converted it, and it's 3 sig figs.